Hey everyone, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most striking tablets Samsung has ever released. Debuting at IFA 2025 in Berlin, alongside the smaller Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, it represents a careful balance between continuity and refinement, keeping the features that made its predecessor stand out while introducing subtle but meaningful changes that elevate its design and usability. At first glance, the most noticeable update is the front display. The 14.6-inch OLED panel with a sharp 2960 by 1848 resolution remains a centerpiece, offering Samsung's signature vibrant colors and smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. But the boxy notch has been traded for a more discreet semicircular cutout. Despite its expansive size, the Tab S11 Ultra is slimmer than ever, coming in at just 5 mm thick while managing to fit a larger 11,600 mAh battery inside, a testament to Samsung's engineering progress. The tablet's design has also been polished further. Early renders reveal a sleek silver and gray finish, flatter sides, and ultra-thin bezels that lend it a modern, professional look. Samsung has simplified the front camera system, replacing the previous dual 12-megapixel setup with a single front-facing camera, which not only reduces visual clutter, but also aligns with the streamlined approach of the redesign. On the back, however, the dual camera system remains more capable than ever, with a 12 and a 13-megapixel sensor, both supporting ultra-wide functionality, which should prove useful for creators and professionals alike. Under the hood, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 chip, marking a bold shift away from Samsung's usual Snapdragon or Exynos strategy for its premium tablets. Paired with configurations offering up to 16 gigs of RAM and as much as 1 terabyte of storage, this device is built to handle multitasking, heavy productivity, and demanding creative work without compromise. A 5G-enabled version will also be available for those who need high-speed connectivity on the go. Launching with Android 16 and One UI 8, the tablet is positioned not just as a short-term powerhouse, but as a device meant to remain reliable for nearly a decade. Features such as Wi-Fi 7, IP68 water and dust resistance, S Pen compatibility, eSIM support, and the integration of Samsung's Galaxy AI tools further underscore its ambition to serve as both a productivity machine and a future-ready platform. Charging remains fast and convenient, with support for 45-watt rapid charging to keep the massive battery topped up efficiently. The standard Galaxy Tab S11 will naturally be a more modest option, carrying an 11-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, the Dimensity 9400 Plus processor, and a slightly smaller 8,400 mAh battery. It will offer up to 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, Wi-Fi 6E, Galaxy AI features, Samsung DeX, and a thinner but still sturdy 5.5mm profile. While not as ambitious as the Ultra, it delivers much of the same premium DNA in a more compact form. Taken together, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra demonstrates Samsung's ability to refine rather than reinvent. By slimming down the chassis, cleaning up the design, and boosting internal specifications, the company has produced a tablet that looks more modern, feels more premium, and promises a longer lifespan. It is not just a showcase device, it is clearly aimed at professionals, creators, and power users who want the absolute best in Android tablet performance, while also gaining long-term value from software updates and AI-driven functionality. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new tablet? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.